folks. Hey, look at that. It is my nasty looking dining room table that I've never used. But I figure I'll finally put it to good use as I've been buying some crap lately. And I figured I would share it with the world. First of all was a purchase I was pretty excited about. Had popped up on sale on Indianapolis Motor Speedway's store, so I went ahead purchased. It was 40% off, I believe it was. So I jumped at it, and it came in the mail while I was gone. And unfortunately, a little disappointed in the postal service. Usually, my mail lady's pretty good. If I'm not there, she'll put it in a plastic bag or something, or just keep it out of the weather. Or I got a pickup truck parked next to my back door, so sometimes she'll put packages in the in the truck. Yeah, really nice lady. But I think I had a substitute this time, and I'm honestly a little bit disappointed, but still, the contents itself look okay. But once you see the packaging, you can see understand my frustration. Here is my Fernando Alonso 118 that came in the mail. As I got to, looks like I got to try to find a sweet spot. Zoom out a little. There we go. There we go, as I'm doing this on the fly, like normal. But as you can see, well, I'll try to get the window out of it. Check my light. It looks like someone stepped on it. And we got some really nasty thunderstorms, and it got wet. So the packaging is pretty well destroyed, which I am very obviously. So I'm moving my phone out of the way because I am unprofessional. I'm an unprofessional idiot, but I'm very disappointed in the results. The diecast looks great. Like I said, it was 40% off. I think they were originally asking like something along the lines of around $80, and I think I ended up getting it for $45 or something. It was a big savings compared to what they were originally on sale. And of course, all the Alonso stuff went on sale as soon as he missed the show. But anyways, so I try to recrop this a little bit. Let's dig in. If I get into this with, and I'm not a hardcore collector of diecast, as you can see, as I like to keep my diecast out of the package so I can look at them and appreciate them on the shelf. So I get into this. And one more piece of tape. Scissors. Cut towards. Yes, don't do like I do, kids. Don't cut towards you. But I've heard a lot of good things about the GreenLight collectibles diecast. And see, the packaging is just still wet and soft and soggy. I'm probably just gonna end up tossing the box, unfortunately, because it's probably gonna mold up. And I don't need that in my house. As we look at this piece, oh, there is twisty ties. Oh, I don't got pliers here. I just snip them. Let's see if I can destroy a pair of scissors. I think I got some toenail clippers. Oh, bear with me, folks. As I am woefully unprepared for this. This is my first GreenLight. Oh, yeah, that works. As I'm using the toenail clippers for their intended form to remove Fernando Alonso diecast from the clutches. And oh, one more. And that one's, oh man, that's, no. as I am doing a horrible job of doing this. The diecast itself actually looks pretty good. Obviously lacking the views sponsorship on the sides. I think that's kind of people trying to get away from that sort of sponsorship due to the all tobacco advertising stuff. But anyways, the color is a little paler than I thought it was going to be. The blue, obviously, not that fantastic metallic as I thought. Overall, it's actually not a bad diecast. Really, my first IndyCar piece. Second, I do have a old Andretti bank, as you can see, that needs dusting. But overall, a very kind of impressive piece. No steering. Does feel a little bit on the cheap side, but it's IndyCar. They need all the help they can get. Any sort of fanfare or just merchandise that they can get. Just be glad they are making IndyCar diecast right now. And yeah, I kind of got the obvious choice of a Fernando Alonso, but you know what? He missed the show this year. It's gonna go down in one of the great failures in Indy 500 history. But honestly, I got an oddball collection, so this fits right in with the oddball pieces. So thank you for watching a Wookie unboxing. A very crappy unboxing, but very nice piece. See, I couldn't tell you all the details of the body kits and all that, because I'm not nearly that read up on IndyCar that anymore. I just kind of follow who's doing what. But still a very cool piece. Stay tuned for more, as you'll probably be seeing more of these on this channel for the next couple months, as I'm kind of probably going to lay off the car reviews, filming car reviews during the summer months, unless something really special comes along. As it's been about 100 degrees last week, and I'm a big guy, and honestly, filming in that kind of heat is not comfortable. So, and between our race schedules really picking up, so expect to see more content on the Wookie Racing TV channel, and probably more of this style content on the main Wookie Automotive TV channel, as I kind of probably gonna take a break the next couple months from filming cars. But anyways, stay tuned for more crappy Wookie unboxings.